raising money for?
We are raising money for the North Central Counterpoint!
For the who?
North Central Counterpoint.
Counterpoint?
Top show choir at North Central. And the top show choir in the state, if I do say so.
So you know how to
myself.
sing?
Of course we know how to sing.
Well, sing me a song.
Okay, what should we sing?
Say Rebecca.
Sing something. Okay, ready? One note.
Jenny Rebecca, 4 days old. How do you like the world so far? Jenny Rebecca, 4 days old. What a lucky, 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 lucky girl you are. For you have wings to be swallowed, trees to be climbed up, days to be young, toys and my love, grass to be lying on, sun above, pillows for crying on when you're in love, poems for writing on, wind in your hair, doves to be sighting on, leaves in the air, dust to be caring for, love to be giving, dreams to be daring for, all as you're living. Jenny Rebecca, 4 days old. What a lucky, 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 lucky girl you are. You are.
Wow.